Six websites that will pay you $20 per hour to stay at home, work from home. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. On this channel, I'll talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and ways how you can use the internet to leverage and where you can make some extra money. Maybe you're looking for a brighter future or whatever it is that you're looking for. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back to another great channel. For the new ones, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, because I always like to know how far my videos are trending. So just let me know in the comments. Become a part of the family, like this video, subscribe, and every time I create a new video, you're gonna be the first one to know. All right, so here are 6 websites that you can make $20 per hour to stay at home. So the very first website is called VIP Kids. And VIP Kids, you can earn up to $20 per hour for teaching English online. So you can pick your own hours, be your own boss, and you can set up the times whenever needed. All right. So if you look right here, you see changing lives has never been so simple. So you teach when and where you want, and yes, you get paid. So you can earn up to $20 per hour per referrals, bonuses, and also other opportunities. So for this one, of course, you're definitely going to need a computer. You need to have Skype, and you can teach English to Chinese kids. And, you know, there's so many family members in China that are looking for great teachers, and this is where you're going to come in. With this one, you're definitely going to need a degree for this one. But if you do have a degree and you haven't used it yet, feel free to check it out. But stay with me because I have a few different websites that doesn't require degree and all that kind of stuff. So stay with me here, all right? So all you have to do is just scroll down here and you could see everything about VIPKidTeachers.com. So if you would like to sign up, all you have to do is you put your email address, you put the password, you get a verification, you sign up. You can sign up using your Facebook or Google, and you'll be up and running in no time. So VIPKids.com is where you can earn up to $20 per hour staying at home. The next website that I'm going to be talking about is called Buffer.com. And with Buffer.com, it's basically a great website that they are using social media for their business. So they hire people and they outsource people to do different things. Now, Buffer is this right here. You can schedule posts. So it is a website that schedule posts in different social media. However, they're always looking for people to work. So if you scroll down all the way and you click on where it says careers, once you click on careers, you will see all the different social media, different jobs. They have different countries, and right, you can work remotely, which is pretty cool. So all you have to do is just click on here, and you have different jobs posted on here, and you can get up and running in no time. So you can come here, you can apply, and once you get approved, you'll be well on your way. So the next website that I'm going to be talking about is Pillow, right? And this is a very interesting website. So for this one, you have to be in the US for this one. All right, so stay with me. There's other websites that I'm going to be talking about. For this one, you definitely have to be in the US. And what you do, you call clients, customers, and remind them to take their medication. So this is great. So if you have, let's say, 6 or 8 customers that you're supposed to call throughout the day, you have to call them. Hello, Mr. Such and Such. Hello, ma'am. I just a quick reminder that you need to take your medication. And you tell them what type of medication they need to take, how much they should take, and it is really, really cool. So you're like working in kind of like a pharmaceutical / kind of helping out as like a stay-at-home kind of nurse kind of thing. And right here, you can make up to $20 or more just for doing this. And all you got to do is just come here, you check it out. You can scroll down. You can watch this video if you want, and you can just apply. And once you apply, click down here where it says career, click where it says apply, and all you got to do, right? They want to, as you can see right here, careers. We're looking for caring, motivated individuals who want to assist others with getting into a good routine with their medication. As I said before, you just gotta pick up, call somebody, and let them know, hey, you need to take your medications. That is pretty cool. All right, let's jump over to number 4. So the fourth website that you can make up to $20 or more to stay home is Testing Time. Testing Time actually pay you. You can earn up to $50 an hour. For this one, yeah, you do have to put in a little bit of work, let's say from 30 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes to do testing times. And this is a great website. And this one, it's all over. So come on here and see if this actually works in your country. But this one is definitely worldwide. And once you come through here, you'll see all the things that they have to offer and how it works. You sign up for testing times, accept the test job, you get paid. You're definitely going to need Skype. And once complete, you could get paid within 10 days. So if you got a lot of jobs every single day, of course, it's going to be repetitive. Like every day you're going to get paid, right? As long as you get the job done, you'll be up and running. So some questions people may have asked, right? Stuff people ask, you can just scroll all the way down here. How much you get paid? How long is the test session? How often do I get invite? What am I supposed to do in a test? All those questions can be answered. So all you have to do is just come here. All right, number 5 website that I'm talking about. And this website is called Appen.com. And with Appen.com, they just have a lot of different things. And they talk about like data, there's data training. And once you come through here, you can apply. And once you apply, once you get approved, you be well on your way. So this is a great job that you can do from home, and you can find jobs, get help with your application, all the type of stuff. So they do a lot of training. As you can see, they have different offices all over the world, right? They got the UK, they got the Philippines, they have China, Australia. So these are different offices. But again, you can reach out, and once you, again, get approved, you can start to work right away. So again, just check it out, see if this will work in your country and see if this will work for you. And number 6, and this is a great website. This is for anyone all over the world. Of course, again, check and see what they have to offer. Freelancer.com. With Freelancer, if you know how to create, let's say, a design such as like flyer, or you have any type of freelancing job, if I want to work, you just click on here. And then once you click on I want to work, you just sign up, and you will see people start posting different type of jobs. And it doesn't matter what type of job it is, you can make money, and you can make good money. You can even make more than $20 an hour just to do some simple task. And as right down here, right? Web developer starting at $100, graphic designer starting at $90, internet marketing $150, mobile app $200 or more. So it all depends on what type of skills. Just scroll down and you could browse different jobs. Look here, right? You have data entry job, you have article writing, WordPress. If you know WordPress, maybe you know something about iPhone, copywriting, maybe internet marketing, maybe you know ghostwriting. Data processing, social media, research, link building, 3D modeling. So look through here. There's tons and tons of different jobs. And if you don't see it here, click on where it says see more, and you can get a bunch of different ones that popped up that doesn't display right here. So those are the 6 websites. I hope this helps. And if you are looking for a way how you can make $200 to $300 consistently, and you're looking for something and you want to start your business where you can scale and you can make more money, check out the first link in the description and see if that's something that you want to participate in. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Talk to you soon.